So this is Jotunheim. It's a microblogging application that I'm going to show you. So right here we see all the entries we've written, and we can open up one and look at it and edit it. But let's try creating a new entry. So one nice thing about Jotunheim is that it supports landscape orientation. So if you, like me, prefer typing with two thumbs um, on the iPhone, you can do that. So once we've written a post, Jotunheim lets you keep it, but you could also share it to multiple places without repeating yourself. So to see what I mean, we're going to click on the outlets button, and here we'll see which outlets it goes to. So here you can see it's going to go to Facebook and it's going to go to Twitter right now. There's a Facebook and Twitter account, or we could say it's not going to go to either of those and it's going to go to a Tumblr blog. Or we could say it's going to go to all three of those. I'm going to leave out Flickr for now because we don't have a picture with this. So I'm hitting post, and yeah, that just went by real fast, but out in the world on a non-Wi-Fi 3G connection, you'll see a spinner that tells you what it's doing. Okay, so now here we're at the Tumblr blog, we see it's posted there. Here at Facebook, we're going to, yep, there it is on Facebook. Yeah, here's our deep thought on Facebook, and then let's check out Twitter. Yep, and there it is. Sorry, it's sort of cut off in this video, but it has also been posted to Twitter. So with one button, it's gone to all of those places. And it could handle images as well. So let's try creating a post that has an image in it. So you could either get an image from the camera, like right now we're running on the simulator, so it's not showing the camera button. But on iPhone, you could take pictures and video directly from Jotunheim. But right now, we don't have that, so we're just going to use the photo library. So we click on that button, the photo library button, and we will get to select a photo that we want to include in this entry. All right. So now we've got a photo here, and we could flip back to the regular editor, and we could add a caption. And so this Jotunheim can post to a lot of different outlets, some of them that are mostly image focused, like Milkshake or Flickr. Um, so we're going to go here into the outlets, and we're going to say we also want to post this to Flickr. So it will post it to, and also the Tumblr blog, why not? So here we go, it's posting, it's done. And then let's head out and check it out. Okay, here's Twitter. All right, there's our post. And yep, our new post showed up on Twitter through Imagely. I think that's how it's pronounced. There it was on Flickr. There it was on Tumblr, and here's on Facebook. And if you want, there is actually a way. Like for example, I prefer to post through Flickr, post images through Flickr. So if you want, you could say post this image to Flickr, then post it to Twitter. But right now, let's look at the data liberation side of things, and by that I mean, um, let's say that um, you want to stop using Jotunheim. Um, it doesn't mean your entries aren't tied to Jotunheim. you could just export everything you've got. It'll be in a text file that you can read, computers can read, and then you'll have it all with you. But if you don't, the nice thing about Jotunheim is it lets you be independent of various social networks. So if you delete your Twitter account or you delete your Facebook account for whatever reason, all the entries you've written in Jotunheim will still be here. And like we've just seen, we can export it to a text file, and um, you'll have it even if you decide not to use Jotunheim anymore. And there's nice things like search, um, so that you could see, you could easily find old entries you've written, which is sometimes hard on something like Twitter, if you've ever tried that. And yeah, so another nice thing I'd like to show you is most views have help in Jotunheim. So if you just don't know what to do, you can hold down two fingers and a help overlay will show up. And sometimes it will highlight certain buttons you could press and explain what they'll do when you tap them. So here it's highlighting the compose button. So the editor um, also has help. All right, that's it for this demo. Check out ghostcrabworkshop.com for more on Jotunheim.